point will go down. Are you getting what I am saying? That is, suppose x was increasing in the negative direction, but the velocity is positive. Then what will happen? That is, this negative value of the displacement variable, or even you don't have to think in terms of displacement, just x. X was increasing in the negative direction, but now the rate of change is positive. Then ultimately what will happen? The negative value of the x will go down. And the same thing here, like suppose x is increasing, but now its rate of change is negative, that means velocity is negative. Then what will happen? I believe that is the fourth quadrant will be easier for us to understand. Suppose that x is going in the positive direction, but the velocity is negative. Then what will happen? Positive x will go down. That means whenever when the motion is something like that, whenever it wants to, that is, diverge, the system will cause it to converge. Once again, both in the second quadrant and the fourth quadrant, see here the rate of change is in the opposite direction of the increment of the variable. That is, if x greater than 0, actually the pair will be like x greater than 0, x dot less than 0. This is one possibility. Another one, when x less than 0, x dot greater than 0. These two possibilities. And in both the cases, x dot into x will be less than 0. If it is so, then only, that is finally, the trajectory, that is, will come towards the equilibrium point, which here in this case we have assumed that is x equals to 0 is the equilibrium point. This is called a qualitative technique, where instead of solving for the actual solution, that is, we have applied some other mathematical technique to reach the conclusion. This is called a qualitative technique. Just all of you think about it. If you say that is, sir, we wish to verify it, then that is, for all this example, you can easily apply this one. Suppose for the second one, what will happen? You see here, the function is minus x square. So whether x is positive or negative, always it would be negative, right? So that's why, that is, it cannot be a stable system. Or that is, it may be for some region, it would give you a stable response, but in some other